How to recover your Microsoft account. Open any browser of your choice. Tap on the search bar. Type in this link account.live.com/password/reset. Search for it. You'll be led to the official recovery interface of Microsoft. Enter your email, phone, or Skype name over here. I'm just going to enter my email. Tap on the option next that you can see on the screen. Now you'll have to verify your identity. A code will be sent to your email. Or if you want to use other verification methods, tap on the option Use a different verification method. I'm just going to use my email. So open the Gmail on your device. Make sure you're logged in to your account. Find the email sent by Microsoft and tap on it. Right over here you can see the code. Long press on the code, tap on the option copy, or you can also memorize it. Go back to the browser. Over here enter the code that you just copied. Tap on the option next that you can see on the screen. Now you can reset your password. Your password is case sensitive. You must have at least 8 characters minimum. So create a new password over here. Re-enter the password. Tap on the option next that you can see on the screen. Now your password has been changed. You can go ahead and sign in to your account if you want. Tap on the option sign in. Enter the credentials over here. Enter the email or phone. After you do that, tap on the option other ways to sign in. Tap on the option use your password. Enter the password that you just reset over here. Tap on the option next. Once you do that, you'll be signed in to your Microsoft account with your new password. Your account will be recovered. Like this, you can recover your Microsoft account. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.